Good morning, TYB family. Welcome back to another video, another banger. And today we're on our way to Cars and Coffee. We're filling up Susie with that good elote, good E50 tune. Soon we will be making more power on Susie, but today on our way to Cars and Coffee, we're taking the Canyon to South OC, and I'm gonna do a cool little POV drive because I know y'all like the POV stuff. You're gonna hear a lot of exhaust pops, a lot of revving, and just ripping through the canyons. And I hope you guys enjoy. If you guys do enjoy these canyon runs, let me know down in the comment section, and I'll get a group of the homies and we'll all go and we'll do another POV video and some chase downs. And hopefully I don't drive off the side of the road with Susie in this rear-wheel drive. So but yeah, if you guys haven't already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to keep it player. Keep up with this mirror on them corners, bro. I just can't. All I feel is Susie just losing it. She's losing it. I'm trying to keep up, man. I'm trying. I got them on the straights, but this ZL1 is nice on them turns. I ain't gonna lie. They made that Z01 smooth. Motorcycles driving slow, bro. Like, come on, y'all should be shredding this. Y'all should be doing the dash of this. Y'all over here cruising, man. Come on. Beautiful though. Come on, they're really ruining this shit. I'm trying to slide. Z01 tough though. That blue fire, I ain't gonna lie. Susie's pops, that when they echo against the mountains, it's just vicious. It's beautiful out here though. This would be a perfect time to like have an Evo. Cause I remember with Marlo, when we went for that ride in that STI, he was shredding these corners crazy. It's something I could never do with Susie. And the Evo, they all-wheel drive too, so. She'll be fun. We need a canyon car. Cause Susie is not it. But still fun though. She's still fun. I'm sure they're probably annoyed as fuck at my pops right now, but hey, I can't help it. I can't help it. Shooting up hella rocks at me, but it's all good. We got a new bumper on the way anyways. We need a new windshield. This shit cracked in the mud, bruh. It's been cracked for too long. Hear their turbo whistle echoing. box is crazy. Oh, this is my favorite part. That little bridge is my favorite part. I don't know why. I think some straightaways is coming up, so we might be able to give her a little ripper. They're starting to speed up a little bit. And they still going slow. Come on. Well, Susie went in the limp mode. I hope you guys did enjoy this video of the POV. If you guys did, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to keep it player.
I got a stay, bro, got a blip, we catching hella poles. I love some melon in the dark bitch on a yellow. It get nasty when I'm fucking, you can tuck it, she get sweaty. He say he getting money, I'm like, hey, who you telling? My dogs gets me running to a bag, I'm in the corner like a Reza. Stella got me teed up.